Welcome to our Wetlands and Critical Zone series. Previously, we learned about the importance of wetlands and the critical zones. In today's series, let's hear from our Canadian geoscientists like Dr. Felix Nwaishi, who focuses on wetlands restoration and the importance of these habitats for Indigenous communities. Murdoch McKinnon, a PhD student developing methods to restore industrial sites in peatlands, and from Cynthia DeVere-Bennett of Ducks Unlimited, discussing her work in sustainability and wetland conservation through corporate partnerships. Let's hear why they think IGC should be hosted in Calgary.
I usually tell my students that Alberta is one of the best places to study geosciences. If you look at our environment, it's like the natural lab for geoscience. Very important. It's an ideal place in the time we live in to host this. And the beauty of it is that in Canada, we have a very responsible resource exploration protocols that try to balance the environmental integrity of the operation with also the mine. So to enable us to keep going on that pathway to ensure that our environmental integrity is maintained while we are also exploring resources, finding that balance between exploration and environmental integrity. I think it makes sense that the world comes here to see what Canada has been doing over the years. I think we have the opportunity to be one of the world leaders in sustainable energy exploration. And there is a lot to learn, there is a lot to see, especially here in Alberta. We have the Rocky Mountains, we have beautiful lakes, we have beautiful rivers, we have some of the best wetlands you can think about, wetland complexes. And so there is a lot for the world to see. And to also see that we are able to maintain this natural environment in the midst of resource exploration for geosciences is something that I think is unique. So finding a place where you have that combination of sustainable resource exploration and also unique environmental and ecosystem is the beauty that this our province offers.
Well, Calgary is a beautiful place to come. I mean, if you're just planning to visit Canada, you'll be able to tour the Rocky Mountains without going too far. So if you're a geoscientist, you can see a vast array of stratigraphy just driving a few hours. Overall, Canada has probably the entire geological rock record, across the country. So regardless of what your area of interest is or your specialty, there'll be a field trip opportunity for you. And we also have the infrastructure and the support, again, from industry, academia, and government, the facilities to support the conference. But we have put together a strong proposal, and I hope that we're going to be hosting.
With the support from Canadian geoscientists, sponsors, and partners, we're excited to take you on their journey as to why their research is significant and why IGC 2028 should be hosted in Calgary and in Canada. Welcome.
Well, thank you so much for sitting down and chat. Hope to see you in 2028 in Canada.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
See you in Calgary in 2028.